Hi, and welcome to Michael Bainbrook's Ticket to Rome. I'm Michael, and I'm a writer, videographer, and together with my sweet wife Sharon, who's also my editor and brainstormer, we love to travel. We just spent a month in Italy, and for part of that time we were in the state of Marche, which is on the Adriatic. After establishing a home base in Pergola, we'll see these towns. Today, we're in Corinaldo, so let's get going.
Regardez, je suis là. Magnifique.
We got our first glimpse of Corinaldo looking past this recently plowed field. As always, you look for the blue P. That's your parking. And even our car had a nice view. The small, quaint town of Corinaldo is a beautiful medieval village located in the east central part of Marche. This charming medieval town, with its defensive walls built in the 15th century, are still solidly intact. Just imagine men in armor returning home after a day of battle and then having to climb these stairs. This 100-step stairway is called the Piaggia. And about halfway up, you'll find a well called the Pozo della Polenta. Besides being prized for its medieval character, Corinaldo is also an important religious destination, as it's the birthplace of Maria Goretti, the patroness of young girls and victims of sexual assault and rape. The town itself is clean and well maintained. Lots of flowers. It was obvious to me that the people of Corinaldo take pride in their village. After a quick cafe break, we're back on the trail. We check out the police station and City Hall. I love this little truck. Somebody didn't tell him that he's just a putt-putt because he's got flames painted on the side of the door. Sharon spots this house for sale. She's always looking for places to live in Italy, which would be great because that means I would get to live in Italy too. This looked to be a great house. To make it even better, there was a tree-lined street and parking right in front. Corinaldo is also known as the Città dei Matti, or City of Fools. The third week of July every year, the town becomes crowded with jugglers, ladies, acrobats, flag wavers, and other medieval time characters. I just happened to come onto a set of stairs that would get one up on the wall, and of course, I had to take it. And of course, I had to see where it goes. I found Sharon on the way back. Come on, girl, move it or lose it. After a day of exploring Corinaldo, we started to get hungry. We're looking for a cafe. We found this great little spot that overlooked the valley. We ordered a couple of paninis. Gee, what a great lunch. The population of Corinaldo is only about 5,000. It's small, quiet, not a lot of traffic. Lots of cafes and benches, parks, places to sit. It'd make a good home base if you wanted to be close to the Adriatic. I'm Michael Bainbrook for Ticket to Rome. Thanks for coming with us, and as always, we'll see you at the next stop.